Hello guys, so here's my New Year's gift. This parcel has been shipped all the way from Italy. So let's see what's in this package. It's of course a very light package, and by the looks of the box, you guys can guess it's a helmet. It's the first time I'm opening it in front of you guys, so I'm super excited. So let's see what's there in the box. Looks like it's been cut open here by customs. So I've ordered this Klim helmet from buygear.in, and it took almost 1.5 months for me to get this helmet in hand because it got stuck with customs for inspection, and that caused a whole lot of delay. So let's see what's in the box. It's the first time, guys. Super excited opening my New Year's gift this way. So crazy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Klim helmets, coil technology. Is damaged. I hope it's look at this, guys. Looks like somebody has cut open the box. This is so painful to see. Looks like somebody in the customs messed it around. So you guys can see this is Krios Pro Mekka kinetic blue helmet. A size small. So let's see. Wow, there you go. Here's the unboxing experience. Definitely it's been tampered. Some guys, oh, look at this color. Amazing blue Klim logo here. It's the beak, and here's the helmet itself. What else do we have in the box? Got my pin lock, keep that aside. I've got my clear visor, we'll keep this aside, and that's it. I think there should be some spare nuts which is missing. Oh, so bad. But yeah, having this aside now, here's the moment of truth. Wow, wow, look at this. Look at the helmet. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. Here's the Klim Krios Pro Helmet. This blue, Mekka blue color. Comes with a transition visor. And oh, there you go. Here's the parts. Thought they didn't give them, but yeah, here you go. Here they are. Comes with Klim stickers as usual, and here's the cool part, guys. This is for what you pay the money. This is the magnetic lock. Pull it. It's ECE and DOT approved, so that's fantastic. And here's the technology that we are paying for. I'm not sure how clearly you guys can see. This is the choroid layer, which is that hexagonal shaped impact absorbing material, which is patented by Klim. So wow, this is amazing. This is just amazing. So I'll do a quick setup and come back later and show more details about the helmet. Looks, the color is amazing. Wow, the inside liners color. Wow, this is amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Super excited to wear this helmet. And this is my Klim Krios Pro. Here's the air vent. Yeah, open this up and you have another air vent here. And the spoilers. This looks amazing. Great color. Cool. Well, here's my New Year's present.